Right guys, Crazy Marcus here, once again in Benidorm. Or, should I say Magic Benidorm? Because if you remember, just a few days back I done a video of the White Star Bar, saying that I don't think they'd be open soon, but as usual, I've been made to eat my words yet again. They are open. They are finished, I think. So let's go have a look, see how it's looking, see how the new idea of it has worked out for them. I'll flip you around. But coming on 10th. I'll just say that. Probably roughly about 20 degrees a day, low 20s, because you do have a coolish breeze. Gonna head up your first part of the square here, your more relaxed area of the square, I'll say. So yeah, I've seen a few posts on Facebook by other people saying that the White Star Bar is finally back open. So yeah, it's time for me to get in on the action. Actually no, I probably shouldn't have said that, should I? So yeah. But right there, still shut. Zodiac as well, that's still got a way to come before reopening. But not what I'm wanting to show you today. Still got these stupid parts of the strip down here, guys. The little miniature garden things. God, I guarantee come Paddy's Day, Fancy Dress Day, or even at the start of the new season, they're gonna get damaged or cause injury to people. Right, well, I am nearing the White Star Bar, and I'm not too sure. I think I may have been lied to. I'm not too sure. No, it does kind of look open. It looks a bit quiet, to be fair. I think they have, of course, done what I said most bars do. They panicked. They've rushed to finish stuff, and yeah, they're still doing work in there. But yeah, they are open, and that's how it looks. It honestly looks so different. Like, completely different, guys. I mean, they've completely done away with the Beatles, which were somewhere here. Done away with the Titanic, which were coming out the wall. To be honest, yeah. Do I think it looks better? Not really, no. It's changed. I will say that it is completely changed. I mean, the weird thing is, it looks like there's some stairs going up the side there. Oh. Having a few technical glitches. There we are. So yeah, I think there's like some stairs going up the side of the bit where the old entrance was back there, like whether they're to an additional terrace area or whether they're just like a staff entrance, maybe like that's where staff keep stuff. I really don't know, but to be fair, it's a lot smaller than it used to be honest. I wish I could somehow get a picture of what it used to look like, so I could like put that on screen and do some sort of like a side-by-side comparison, but yeah, I swear it used to be a lot bigger than that. Even though you have like the big bar entrance just here. I mean, yeah. I really don't see how they're going to cope in the new season, let alone when they got Cheltenham and of course when they got Paddy's Day, because if you've watched other vids on Benidorm, you'll know that that is literally the place to go to watch Cheltenham. What I'll do is I'll try do what I've done the other day and get a sneaky nose of the pool area. But I mean, it still looks like the pool area's been kept the same with the big screen up the back. Plenty of like sunbeds around there and terrace area up the back. It's weird actually how they've got rid of the main statues that we're known for, which were the Beatles, yet they've kept the Marilyn Monroe statue. Or maybe they've moved the Beatles statues like further inside the actual bar area, so like they're in a different area. Who knows? Anyway, if anyone's down there, comment down below. Anyway, one more thing to do, be a bit sneaky by heading into the secret garden and climbing up the stairs. Hopefully I don't fall, but yeah, it looks semi-decent actually, the pool area. I think that's probably not been changed, to be fair, but who knows. But one thing I will say is, now a lot of stuff's changing in Benidorm. Like, is stuff actually going to become more pricey? I mean, is that the whole case with the reason why a lot of places are now changing? I mean, White Star Bar's had a complete change. So, is it because they're trying to attract a better clientele, maybe? Like, trying to attract a more fancier clientele, should I say? Or are they just trying to do like what bars have done up here? I'll flip you around. Where they're going with like the big sort of bright colours, the Ibiza style as I call it. I mean, I don't know. It's mad really, ain't it? Such a great bar, perfect the way that it was before, and yet I thought, ooh, let's change it. Got Bahamas there as well. Gone with that Ibiza vibe, like shiny neon lights and all that. Anyway, I'll finish off by asking a question. Now, don't worry, it ain't a hard question. It ain't like a maths question like what's the square root of 100? What's pi times 4x squared or something? I mean, mind you, if you can answer that, you're a bloody genius. But yeah, I forgot what I was saying now. Oh yeah, question. Do you think the change at the White Star Bar is for the good or for the worse? Like, have they made the place better to get more customers in, or have they made it worse? Have they completely destroyed its reputation? Have they completely destroyed its image even? I mean, I guess what I'm more trying to get at is it going to be a complete and utter failure? Is it going to just be a waste of space them doing everything there? Or is it actually going to be a success? Because I mean, Benidorm, it's a big place. You've got tons of different bars that will be competing with the White Star Bar. So, what's going to happen? The final thing I've just so thought of, funny how you think of things when you're trying to finish something. I'll finish with this. Now they've had a complete refurb, like now they've sort of made it look nicer. Does that mean the prices will go up, or will they stay the same, or what? Because I mean, surely that might be the main thing that will happen. I mean, don't get me wrong, it looks all white. I'm not a fan of it, but hey ho. So does that mean now it looks nicer now they've done all this work to it, or the prices just going to go through the roof? Because I mean, if they do, people's just going to say, you know what, sod it, there's a lot better bars to go to. Anyway, I think I've finished now. I can't really think of anything else to say, really. So yeah, what do you think will happen? Let me know down below. Hit that like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you next time.